Good morning, my dear students. So today we will going to learn about chapter adjective degree of comparison. Yes, as you have already studied about what is an adjective. So here in this chapter, I will going to explain you the 3 degrees of comparison that comes under the chapter adjectives. So in this chapter, I will give you the first. I will let you know the definition of adjective. That you all know that adjective is the word that tells the quality of a noun or pronoun, or you can say in simple that tells more about noun or pronoun, like big, black, brown. So what are these? These are the quality, and if we add noun or pronoun before and after this, then it will become a quality of a noun or pronoun. So simple example here I am writing, like I have a black pen. So here the noun is what? Here it is. This is pen is also a noun here. Yes, this is your noun. And here I is what? It is again a noun, or you can say a pronoun, because it is functioning as a noun as well as pronoun. But what is the quality of this pen? The quality of this pen is black. So this tells the quality of a noun. And what is the noun? Noun is the pen. So simple here you need to learn that a word that tells the quality of a noun. So like big, black, brown, beautiful, pretty, gorgeous, smart, handsome. So these are the qualities of noun. So this was the quality of noun, as I have given you some words that describe the noun or pronoun. So here the main topic in this chapter is degree of comparison. So here we need to learn, first we need to learn what is the degree of comparison. So here the meaning of this is when quality of noun changes, when the quality of noun change its form to use to compare one noun with the another. सिंपल, जो वो शब्द, वो क्वालिटी, वो विशेषता जब अपने फॉर्म को चेंज करते हैं एक नाउन से दूसरे नाउन को कंपेयर करने के लिए, तुलना करने के लिए, उसको हम कहते हैं डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. राइट. सो हियर we have three degrees. So here you need to learn what are they. First one we have positive degree we have. Then we have comparative degree. And third we have superlative degree. So these three are the main degrees of comparison that comes under adjectives. So first I will give you the definition as well as example of positive degree. Positive degree means when we do not compare one thing with the another, one person with the another, one object with the another object. Means here we talk only about one particular thing. It can be a person, it can be a place, it can be an animal, or it can be a thing. Just like if I give you the example, simple example here I am writing, like my house is big. Simple. So here what I am telling, I am just telling that I have a house. House is again a noun, and what is the quality of a noun? That it is a big. So here I am not comparing my house with somebody else's house. I am just simply talking about my own house. So this is the degree of positive degree it is. Now come to the second degree, that is comparative degree. The word itself telling you that comparative means when we compare one thing with the another. Means here we need two things. Two things means two noun you can say, two person you can say, two object, two place, two animals. Means here we need more than one thing. Simple example here I am writing of this is like Rina's house is bigger bigger than Rohit. So here you need to see this sentence very carefully. Now I am talking about two persons. One is a girl, that is Reena. Another one is a boy, who is Rohit. Now I am talking about only one thing, that is house, and I am talking about the quality. I am talking about the I am comparing the house with Reena's house and Rohit's house. There is a comparison between both of Reena's house and Rohit's house. Now what the sentence is saying? The sentence is saying that Reena's house is bigger than Rohit. मीन्स जो रीना है वो उसका घर जो है किसके घर से बड़ा है? रोहित के घर से बड़ा है. मैंने आपको बोला था कंपैरिजन में हम तुलना करते हैं, उसके लिए हमें दो चीज़ों की जरूरत होती है. अगर हमारे पास एक रहेगा तो हम उसकी तुलना दूसरे चीज़ से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. सो हियर आई यूज द वर्ड बिगर. जब भी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री की हम बात करते हैं तो हमारी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में उसके एंड में ER लग जाता है व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द क्वालिटी. लाइक सिंपल एग्जांपल आई हैव रिटन, पहले मैंने बिग लिखा था, उसके बाद मैंने बिगर लिखा, बिग का बिगर हो गया. राइट, अब ऐसे ही बेटर. यू कैन सी दिस स्पेलिंग हियर ER इज देयर. देन टॉलर, ER is there. You can see when we compare two things, then we use this comparative degree. Now come to the third one, that is your superlative degree. Superlative degree, in superlative degree what we do when we compare like when we talk as a whole, like there are a student, like 30 students are in the class, and if I say that Shreya is best girl in the class, so means what I am doing, I am talking about like whole class I am talking. But here I am talking about only one particular girl, that is Shreya. Means Shreya is the girl who is the best among all the students. जब हम सब एक कलेक्टिवली ही बात करते हैं, लेकिन उसमें से हम किसी एक चीज़ की विशेषता बताते हैं कि ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है सब में से. Like here if I say example of this, I am here right. So here I was giving you the example of superlative degree. As I told you that in my class there are 30 students, but Shreya is the best one. So I am talking about everyone, but I am talking mainly here. I am talking about one particular girl, that is Shreya. So here I am giving you the example. Same example I am giving you in all the degrees, right? Here the example is Reena's house is the biggest of all. So here again you need to see the sentence carefully, because I am using the same sentence to give you the example, and same naming words are there, same quality, everything is there. So here you need to see the sentence carefully. What is there? That Reena's house is the biggest of all. Means here I am using the same quality. What is the quality? That house is biggest. Here I was using, when I was talking about positive degree, then I was using big. Then when I was about to compare between two persons house, then I used bigger. Now here I am talking, as I told you, कि जब हम सब की बात करते हैं ना और उसमें से सिर्फ एक चीज की बात करते हैं तो वो हमारा हो जाता है superlative degree. So here I have used, you can see, first I wrote big, then I wrote bigger. Now here I used biggest. Means सबके घरों में सबसे बड़ा, सबके जितने भी बच्चे हैं उन सबके घरों में सबसे बड़ा घर किसका है? रीना का घर है. बात तो मैंने सबकी की है, लेकिन एक पर्टिकुलर बच्चे की बात कर रही हूँ मैं कि सारे घर हैं, लेकिन उन सब घरों में से सबसे बड़ा घर किसका है? रीना का है. तो ऐसे ही हमारा जो सुपरलेटिव, कंपैरेटिव, पॉजिटिव डिग्री होता है वो ऐसे ही चेंज होता है. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ द सेम डिग्रीज हियर. लाइक हियर इट इज पॉजिटिव. सो फॉर पॉजिटिव आई यूज big house. Then second I am using comparative. Yes, so for comparative I used bigger. And then third we have superlative. positive degree, we do not compare one noun with the another. Means, so in positive degree, you can see here I have used big. Why I have used big? Because as I told you earlier that in positive degree we only talk about one thing. It can be a person, it can be a one person, it can be a one animal, it can be a one thing, or it can be a one place. जब सिर्फ हम एक चीज की बात करते हैं और उसकी तुलना हम दूसरे से नहीं करते हैं, हम उसकी कंपैरिजन दूसरे से नहीं करते, then it is a positive degree. Now come to the comparative degree. Comparative word itself telling you that here we are talking about to compare between two things. In this we need two things. Two person can be there, two places can be there, two things can be there. Means here we talk and we compare two things with each other. Here we have used bigger. Comparative degree, what happens in comparative degree? Here we add er in the adjective. Adjective के last में हम er add करते हैं. Yes. Then we have superlative degree. Superlative degree also, as I told you earlier, that जब हम collectively ही सबकी बात करते हैं और उनमें से सिर्फ एक की बात करते हैं, that becomes your superlative degree. Means when we compare one thing among all, that is your superlative degree. But there are some other adjectives are also like. Those are adjectives are those which do not followed by this er and est at their end. We do not add. Simply in those adjectives we use the word like more, most, and these words are used in like most comes under superlative degree and more will come under comparative degree. Example of this can be, if I am writing the example of it, like positive degree will be beautiful. Be. Here I am not comparing anything with another thing. So I was telling you that there are some adjectives that are not followed by er or est. Means we do not add er at the end of that adjective or est to that adjective. So what are those? So here I am writing. So here C means here I have to write P. P means positive degree, then comparative, then superlative. So you should understood that P stands for positive, C stands for comparative, and S stands for superlative. So here I was telling you that what are those adjectives. Simple example is beautiful. Beautiful. So in positive degree, I have only wrote beautiful. Means I am not comparing anything, anybody with another person or another noun. Then in comparative degree, more beautiful. More beautiful. Then here what I am doing? I have used the more. Means here what I am doing? I am comparing two things with each other. Right? Like example can be, Reena is more beautiful than Sita. So in this example you can see that I am saying that Reena is more beautiful than her friend, or you can say sister Sita. So I am talking about two persons and I am doing the comparison between two girls, that is Reena and Sita. Now come to the superlative degree. Here most beautiful. Most beautiful. Most beautiful means that I am talking about everybody, but at that particular moment I am talking about only one person. I am giving the quality of one as a best. Like here I am writing the example of this superlative degree. You see, superlative S means superlative degree. Like Reena is most beautiful girl in her class. So here you can see the class word itself telling you that I am not talking about one person or one student. I am talking about all the students whoever are present in the class. But I am talking that among all those students, who is most beautiful? Reena is most beautiful. Means here I have compared Reena with all the students who all are present in the class. So this was your chapter, degree of comparison. So I hope you have understood, and if you have any doubt, just let me know. Just like and subscribe, and thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.